Hello viewers, welcome to C++ episode 2. This is MD. Today we will continue from where we had stopped in episode 1. Let me open the program. Just a heads up, if you want to save your program, you can simply copy from the IDE and open a new text file and save by giving a proper name .cpp. I'm saving my file as helloworld.cpp. Let's go back to the program. When the program runs, it prints out hello world. And you will see this little window with output. This is we would call console. The console is basically a window that holds output information. Sometimes we can tell C++ to print things out onto this console window. Whenever you hear me referring to the console, I am referring to this window. Let's talk about the program. Again, any of the codes in the main function will be executed first. Here we have only one line of code. I'm gonna copy this and paste down here to create multiple lines or statements. Into this quotation, I can say something else like my name down here, MD, my address, 111 Broadway, New York, and my phone number, 777-777-7777. Please don't find me on that address or dial that number. Now let's run the program. Our output looks so messy because we have missing some keywords that need to organize output. When we print something to console, the cursor stays at the end of the output unless we have instructed the program not to do so. By creating a new line here couldn't affect on the output. We have to include some keywords to tell C++ how we want to organize our output. When we are writing C++ program, basically we are giving the computer a bunch of instructions that we wanted to execute. Imagine in real life you are using a recipe to cook something. Here the recipe is not like a program. It's a bunch of instructions, and if you follow the instruction you will get something good to eat. Same as programming. What program is a bunch of instructions we are giving to the computer, and if we do it correctly, we'll get an expected output. To organize the output, we have to include some keywords. Two ways to create new lines by using endl means end line, or include \n into the statement to create a new line. Let's work with the endl first. The endl is a predefined object of OStream class. It is used to insert a new line characters and flushes the stream. Let's rewrite those statements with endl. Now you can see our outputs are organized. There are new lines for each statement. Now, instead of endl, we can use \n into the statement to create new line. Let's see how \n organize our output. It looks same as before. So we can use either \n or endl to create a new line. Just a heads up, endl is designed to be used alone with no arguments in conjunction with the insertion operations on output streams, whereas \n is used in the quotation mark. We can use \n both in C and C++, but endl is only supported by C++. Please stay tuned until next videos and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.